You've been lifting for months, maybe years. Your chest is growing, your arms are getting bigger, but your wrists still look like they belong to someone who's never touched a weight in their life. And the worst part? You can't hide them. Long sleeves help. Until someone asks for a handshake, and suddenly your wrist looks like a pencil connecting your hand to your arm. Here's the thing nobody tells you. This isn't a genetics problem. This is a training problem. And today we're fixing it for good. Let's kill the biggest lie in fitness right now. You cannot grow your wrist bone. Full stop. No exercise, no supplement, no rubber band contraption from a late-night infomercial will change your bone structure. But here's where people get it completely wrong. They hear that, and they give up. They assume thin wrists are a life sentence. They're not. Because your wrist bone is just one part of the story. Wrapping around that bone are muscles, tendons, and connective tissue. And those absolutely can grow. Train them properly, and your wrists look thicker, denser, and stronger, even without changing the bone itself. Think of it like a tree trunk. The wood inside never changes, but the bark and rings around it keep growing every single year. Your wrist bone is the wood. Everything around it is what we're building. Here's what's actually going on inside your wrist, and why most people never fix it. Your wrist moves in 6 directions. Up, down, left, right, rotate inward, rotate outward. 6 directions. Most exercises hit 1 or 2 of them. The rest, completely neglected. Sitting there getting weaker every single week while you do bicep curls thinking you're covering everything. That neglect creates 2 problems that destroy your progress. Problem 1. Your wrists look thin because the surrounding muscles are underdeveloped. There's literally nothing filling the space around the joint. It's like having a great picture frame with nothing inside it. Problem 2. Joint pain starts showing up. That sharp sting you feel at the bottom of a push-up, the weird ache after heavy curls, that's not bad form. That's your wrist joints screaming because they've been carrying load without any muscular support for months. The fix is not complicated. You just need to actually train all 6 directions, instead of pretending 2 is enough. 3 movements. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Movement 1. Loaded wrist circles. Grab anything with weight, a water bottle, a can of soup, a dumbbell if you have one. Extend your arms straight out. Now rotate your wrist in a full slow circle. Forward 10 times, backward 10 times. That's it. This hits all 6 movement planes in one motion. 2 minutes of this daily, and within 3 weeks, you'll feel a difference. Within 6 weeks, you'll see 1. Movement 2, pinch hold. Grab 2 thick books, heavy ones. Pinch them together using only your fingers. No palm, no grip cheating. Just fingertips holding 2 books together. Hold for 30 seconds. Rest. Repeat 3 times. This targets the deep stabilizing muscles that sit directly around your wrist joint. These muscles are invisible from the outside, but they're what makes a wrist look dense and solid, instead of just bony. Most people never train these in their entire fitness life. That's why most people have wrists that look like they belong on a scarecrow. Movement 3. Fist push-up hold. Get on all 4s. Instead of flat palms on the floor, make fists and balance on your knuckles. Hold that position for 30 seconds. Your wrist stabilizers fire immediately. Your forearm muscles engage to keep everything aligned. This one exercise activates more wrist muscles simultaneously than anything else you can do with 0 equipment. It's going to feel uncomfortable the first few times. That discomfort is your wrist muscles waking up after months of being ignored. Give them 2 weeks, and it starts feeling normal. 3 movements, 6 directions, 30 days. Your wrists will never change by accident. Nobody accidentally develops strong wrists. It takes direct intentional training that takes less than 10 minutes and requires absolutely nothing except your own body. The people walking around with thick, powerful wrists aren't genetically gifted. They just trained something everyone else skipped. Now you know what they know. So go find 2 heavy books and get started. Drop a comment with which movement destroyed you first. Subscribe if you want more, because there's a lot more your body has been hiding from you. 0 gym, 0 excuses, just results.